All right. So are you guys done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I want you to give me the answer in this format. O is ones, okay? This is tens. Same number, you will have to represent it in this way. And let me know if you're not able to answer.
Ma'am, I'm not done the first one.
Okay, go ahead, Idika. It's hardly going to take a few seconds, okay? Quickly do it.
Because my notebook was full, so I ordered
No
another.
problem. No problem. Continue. Okay. Okay, so the answer for the first one is 200, 6 tens, and 9 ones. And if we write it in expanded form, can Kabir tell me the answer in expanded form? 269 can be broken into hundreds, tens, and ones. So what should I write?
260.
Mm-hmm.
9.
9. Now, here we see 1 0, and we know that in tens we have 1 0, so it becomes 6 tens. Here we see 2 zeros, so in hundreds we have 2 zeros, so it becomes 2 hundreds. Okay, so I was just doing something today morning and I want to share that with you because it's really worth listening as well as worth learning. So this is a story about my son. He is just five years old. Okay, so he saw something like this. You must all be having that pad where we are replacing papers and it's a black color pad and we scribble with a pen and a green ink comes. Are you able to get what I'm talking about here?
Scratch pad?
Yes. It's like not a scratch pad, but it's a battery operated notepad. Everybody has it.
Scratch pad.
Yes.
I think it's scratch.
Okay, if it is known as scratch pad, then it is a scratch pad. But in scratch pad, you scratch. Here you will be having a stylus and you will be having a black notebook and you can write.
LCD writing padlet. LCD writing pad.
Yes, exactly. So here on the cover page, on the box, it was written that you can replace this number of sheets. Okay, we are all going eco-friendly these days and we have to use less paper. I was having a word with Anahita's mom also the other day. She just shared that with me. So now on the cover page, we saw this number written. Can you tell me which number is this? Now, 5-year-old doesn't know which number this is. And I just told him something. How many of you can figure it out? Which number is this?
1,000,000.
Okay. I know because you are all following international standards, so you will not be talking my way. So it's either 100,000, okay, or it is 1 lakh, okay. And if it is 1 billion, I'll have to check because I don't know the correlation, okay. So when you have 5 zeros, it becomes 1 lakh, or you just keep these 1, 2, 3 hundreds together, 3 zeros together, and you can call it as 100,000. Okay. Okay. Now coming back to the next question, which is 269 is equal to how many tens and how many ones? How many of you can give me the answer for this? $269 has how many tens and how many ones? Come on.
Tens. 260 tens, 9 ones.
No, the answer is wrong.
26 tens and
26 10 and 9 ones. Exactly. Yes. Now take another number. Okay. Now write the number 560. Okay. Write the number 560.
Yes, ma'am. All right, 56 tens and 0 ones.
56 tens and 0 ones. Correct. Now, if I want you to tell me how many ones are there in 560, Kabir? Evanjali, how many ones are there in 560?
0.
No, that's the place value. Who said 0? Who said 0? Evanjali said 0. Kabir said 0. That's the place value in 560.
Can you repeat the question?
How many ones would make 560?
560 ones.
Who said that?
Me.
Correct. Now, Sakshi, Kabir, Evanjali, Idika, did you understand this? How many ones would make a 560?
Mom.
No, yes? Tell me yes or no. No. So, let's get back to your tens frame and we will be seeing this. Share the content. We will be opening our DNS block. I'll give you one more question on the same. I have 601. Another question. Try. 601 has...
Abby can't see your screen.
Yes, you would not. 601. You have to listen and answer, okay? 601. First, write it on the notebook. 601.
601.
Yes.
I'm 601 like.
Yes, like 601.
That back.
Now 601, this is a different question. Huh? We will be working on a different question. 601 has how many hundreds?
6.
Okay, so I will write 600. But is this, will 601 will be equal to 600 or there is something missing?
1. It should be 60 hundreds.
No, Sakshi, it will not be 60 hundred. It's going to be 60 tens. I will show you that. Now,
1. A 1 is
yes.
missing.
1 is missing. Very good. It's going to have 1, 1. Got it? Or I can write it in this form. How many tens would I need to make a 600 and then extra 1 is going to come? How many tens, children? Everybody answer. Kabir? How many tens we will need to make a 600? Now, Kabir, unmute karo and do it with me. I am asking you how many tens will make a 600. Okay, so 10 has how many zeros?
1 0.
1 0. So this is how a 10 looks like?
Yes.
And if I write a 600, is this how a 600 looks like?
Yes. Yes.
So now I have to write something is equal to tens. We know this 10 will be having 1 0. How many more zeros we need to make a 600, Kabir?
2.
2. 1 is already here. We will need 1 more 0, right?
Yeah, 1 more.
So which number comes here?
60.
So 600 is actually equal to 60 tens. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, coming back to our first question, since you could not get that 560 is equal to how many ones? 560 ones. Now see how am I making it for you, and this is going to look so beautiful. Okay, 500, there is no space. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay.
4.
Now see. Now this is 100. Everybody. 100 has how many tens in it? Yes, Anayata.
10.
Now, if you are not sure, I will show you this magic right away. Eyes on the screen. I decomposed it into 10 tens. Similarly, I will be doing it for all these. Okay? Okay. Now, can you count how many tens are there? The number was
1, 2, 3, 4,
500 was the number.
5.
How many tens?
The first column is 10. 5, 50 and 50 and all of these of tens are 50 only.
How many tens are there? Simple. Tell me.
50.
Kabir, are you following? Evangeline, are you following?
50.
How would I say 50 tens are there? Ye dekho. Total how much? How many rods you see here? Kabir, Evangeline.
First, I have to 50
How many
and 50
Idika,
down
Idika,
to
just a second.
equals 200.
Idika, go on mute and listen to me. Okay? How many 10 rods you see in the circle? We all know that it was all together as 500. How many 10 rods you see here? Everyone, answer. Ye red circle ke andar.
100.
How many 10 rods do you see?
10.
10.
100.
Now, how many 10 rods you see?
20. 200.
Idika, you are telling it all wrong. Mute pe jao and listen. How many 10 rods you see?
30.
10. Only 10. In the circle, how many 10 rods you see?
10.
How many rods you see?
10.
Now, you have groups of 10. How many groups do you have?
5.
5 groups of 10.
5.
What am I going to say? 5 groups of 10 is 50 tens. Am I right? Because if I add this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, this is 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 50. But now listen, it is 50 tens. It is just not 50 and it is again equal to 500. Because if I break each one of these, can you tell me which denomination we are going to get? We are going to get the ones. Now what I have to do, I will have to break them all. I will have to break all these tens. It's going to become so chaotic here. And if I break them, I will get 500 pieces, children. 500 pieces. Since it's a very big number, I want to show it just for 100. 100 has, this is 100, okay? 100 has how many tens? Come on, tell me.
10.
10 tens. We can even see that. Are they 10? Did I do any changes? No, no changes. Now the next denomination is ones. You will have to tell me, since it was all 100, 100 is equal to how many ones?
100.
But I will have to show it to you. Now see what I'm doing. I'm breaking them all. All these tens, I'm breaking it. Okay? All these tens are being broken into ones. And when I count them individually, we will be getting it as 100 ones. Okay, this is the smallest unit. Ones is the smallest unit. Now, did you understand little bit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if we have discussed 100, we can do it for 500 also. It's the same thing, children. Yes. Okay. Now, you have all made a common error when we were doing our holiday homework, which is about successor and predecessor. ठीक है? Predecessor, my spelling.
I said you the homework.
Yes, yes, you have. Just having a.
Wrong actually, so I corrected.
You corrected it, right?
Yes. Just I did not said.
Okay. So if I write something like this, okay? And if I write something like this.
Predecessor.
No.
Successor. So, successor. Successor.
There are just two options remaining here. I want everybody to type the answer in the chat box, because if it is not predecessor, the only option that is left is a successor. Sabse pehle we should understand what is a predecessor. Predecessor is the number before. Okay, Evanjali? So if I write 2, what comes before 2? 1. So 1 is the predecessor of 2. If I write 3, this is the number that comes after 2. So what will I be telling it as? Successor of 2. So what is the successor of 99, Evanjali? What is the successor of 99? Spelling. Successor ka spelling correct karna. Okay. So Evanjali, what is the successor of 99?
20.
What? 99. 19. 99. What comes after 99?
100.
100 is the successor of 99. Now everybody, let's look at these questions. 1817. Write the answer.
I actually don't understand.
What you did not understand? You've done the homework. You know this. Try it. Write the answer in the chat box. Okay.
Can I repeat the question?
I have written here. The question is here. Sorry, 1817.
Why you changed it?
I changed it.
Yes.
I'm just saving this thing to your. Okay. Come on. 1817 is the successor of 1816 or predecessor. So 1817 is the Kabir. 1817 is the
Predecessor.
No. Does it come before 1816? The way it has been written may confuse you. That is the reason why I have tested it. 1817 is the successor of 1816 because it comes after 1816. Now see, 1817 is the dash of 1818. Does it come before 1818? 1817 comes before 1818?
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Tell me the answer now.
Yes.
Predecessor. Okay. So now we will be solving the Olympiad questions. Okay. So let's see how we are all solving it together today. What is this? Ebook. Okay. Now, this is the first question. I'm going to zoom it a little bit for you. Which of the following numbers will continue the given number pattern? I'll give 30 seconds, okay?
12.
No answering chat box. You will have to use chat box here. Okay? Everybody.
Mama, send you the answer.
Very good, Kabir. Evanjali, look at the pattern. It skip counts.
Mama, I also sent you.
Sakshi, very good. There is Anahita, I'm waiting for your answer. Yeah.
L.
Question number 1, right? Type it.
Shall I send you the second question also?
Yes, please keep on doing the answers. Solve it. So apple's weight is equal to mango's weight, and orange is lighter or heavier than mango. Who's going to tell me?
Heavier.
Lighter.
Lighter.
Yes, because it's lighter. That is why it's up. Kabir, it's
Lighter.
lighter. Yes. So then what is the relationship between apple and orange? Give it a good thought, 30 seconds, and type it in the chat box. Apna answer khud se likhenge.
Did you say? What did you say in the?
What did you say, ma'am? I said that answer number 2 has to be solved quickly.
But never.
Apple is heavier than or lighter than orange. You will have to think. Think, children, huh? Done?
Heavier than.
Kabir, don't hurry, okay? Think and then tell me, okay? Your answer is correct. Your answers may be correct. I'm just telling you, don't rush.
Mine
Now,
is correct. No.
very good. Chalo. Anahita, are you able to do this? Number 2.
I did.
Avni, she's done. She's changed the chat options, just rectifying that.
Acha, okay. So the answer is heavier than. You want me to explain it to you, or you have understood how to do this?
Ma'am, I've understood.
Okay. Now see, still apple's weight is equal to mango's weight. Okay. So now if we see the second figure here, sorry, my pencil is not working over here. If we see the second figure, instead of mango, we can easily put an apple there, children? Try to understand. Yes. So now the orange is again lighter than the apple. So definitely apple is heavier than orange. Yes. Yes, please go.
Needs to change her chat settings. She's sending the answer to us. Maybe you're not getting. Anushri.
Anushri is what?
Her chat answers are coming to us as private message instead of you, I guess.
Okay, that is Kabir's answers are coming.
Ma'am, I'm doing the third one.
Bye.
Ma'am, what are you doing
I'm
the third one?
giving the answer.
Ma'am, I'm doing the
see
third
Kabir's
one.
answers.
Bye. You have to tell. Yes, sorry, Anushri.
Kabir, can you see Kabir's answers?
I was seeing, but just a second. Okay, only I could see his first answer. Second one I could not see.
Kabir, give the second one the answer, na beta, you've not listened.
No, those answers are coming to us. It is, I think, the setting is
Anushri, to mark it to everyone.
to everyone.
Yeah. Okay. Next question. Find the odd one out. This is very simple, but still I want to understand how many of you could not do it. This is very simple, irrespective of the grade.
All right.
Come on.
Second one.
Second one is heavier. Second one is heavier.
Ma'am, I've already done it. Ma'am, what about the third one?
Third one, you have to find the odd one out. Okay. So we have car, we have ship, we have bicycle, we have a scooter.
Which
Everything,
one? You check my house. The third odd one out.
Odd one out would be a ship because it's a water transport, and the other remaining ones are road transport. Now, question number 4. I want you to do question number 4. Come on. Everybody, eyes on the screen. Question number 4. Kabir, question number 4. Mohit needs to drive to the library via Raj's home. And these are the different combinations of routes he can take. In how many different ways? Answer in the chat box. In how many different ways can he reach the library?
Ma'am, I've written the answer.
Okay, Sakshi. Okay. Now you want me to explain? I'm waiting for you to answer. If we follow the first route, he's getting 3 options. Yes?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
I multiplied 3 by 2.
Yes, I know, but not everyone knows multiplication. So we will be following it this way. Have a look on my screen, okay? And then we have...
also multiplication.
Okay, fantastic. So just imagine this is from where Raj started and this is where he has to reach. This is the library, okay? And always pay attention to the arrows because a lot of times if the arrow would be wrong, you will not be taking that path, okay? If I write it as this side and he has to go to the library, we will not be following this path and we will just have 3 possible routes, okay? So it's very important that you have a look at the questions carefully. So now if he takes this path, okay, I'm changing my color. If he takes this path, Kabir, how many ways can he reach B? He has taken this path, he's stuck here. Now how many routes, possible routes are present?
2.
I see 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. Now I'm changing my color to green. Now he decided to go this way. How many routes are possible? At the same junction, he's going to see how many different routes?
Ma'am, he has
1,
to go above.
3 ways. So 3 and 3 together is 6. Okay. And the shortcut here is, here he gets two routes. Here he gets 3 routes. So 2 times 3 is 3. Do you want to have another question on the same concept?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay. I want everyone to do these 2 questions on this topic. One is very simple. The other one is little calculative. It's not challenging at all. You just need to calculate. Never try to attempt the question if there is no arrow mark given, okay? Always look for the arrows. Question number 1. Answer for question number 1. Always try to look for the possible routes. He has to reach from A to C. Okay? Okay, Kabir?
Yes, ma'am, I've written the answer.
Anaita, Idika, you're sending me the answer for which one?
The first one. Second one.
Yeah, I think you've given me. Yeah, second one ka
one,
answer. Yeah, so
second one.
Anaita, Idika, you've given me the answer for the second one, right?
Yes.
Kabir, is it getting difficult for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll just tell you something. Imagine that you are driving on the road, okay? Prefer your choice of vehicle, either it's a bike or a car. You're driving a car or a bicycle or a bike? Tell me. Kabir.
Car.
Car. Okay, so Kabir is going to start here. I'm going to do this for you. Now, Kabir, you have your car over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, do you want to go this side or do you want to go the bottom one? Which route do you want to?
The bottom one.
You want to go the bottom way. So I come here. Now, Kabir, is there any other way that you can go or it's just one option that you have, that is go straight? One option. So this is Kabir's first route. Okay, Kabir. Next. Kabir, since you have already taken this path, can we choose the top one for you?
Okay.
Yes. So Kabir is driving on this path. Now there is another junction. Now he has to go straight because there is only one possible route, which is straight line. Okay, so Kabir, can you tell me in total, to reach from A to C, you have either taken Ramdaspet or you have taken Dhantoli's option, right? So how many possible routes you have taken?
2.
Yes. Now can you try for this one? Just imagine you are driving the car and try to do it with me. Anahita, was the first answer as 2?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Second one. So I will be choosing this. Here I have how many options? 4. Okay? Kabir, देखो तुम्हारे लिए कर रही हूँ मैं. He chose this first one. And how many possible options he had?
4.
4. Now, Evangeline, this is for you. Evangeline, he chose to go this way. How many possible options he have? He has here. This is the green part where Evangeline is driving. So she has 1, 2, 3, 4 routes. Yes, Evangeline? Okay, Idika. The last one is for you, the yellow color driver. You have chosen this route.
Sending you the second answer. And the first answer.
Okay, so this is the first way, second way, third way, fourth way. So the answer is 4 plus 4 plus 4. And how many of you are aware of the concept of multiplication? Raise your hand. What would be the equation for 4 plus 4 plus 4 if I'm writing it in multiplication? Come on.
4 times 3 or 3 times?
No, there is a difference, Anahita.
4 times 3 is equal to 3 times.
No, everybody has given me the wrong answer. Which number is getting repeated?
4.
How many times?
3. 3
So
times.
can I put 3 times 4? Okay? Yes. Now, since you have difficulty in understanding the equation for this, I will give you one question on the same topic. And you will all have to type the equation in the chat box. Are you guys ready for it? Yeah? Yes? No one is saying anything.
Yes.
Chalo, give me the answer for this. This is 100% repeated addition. Eventually, this is repeated addition because same number is getting repeated. Okay? Now, when the same number gets repeated, we will be saying that it's actually multiplication's concept. But for you, Evangeline, how many times, which number is getting repeated, Evangeline?
12.
Yes. How many times do you see 12 getting repeated?
4.
So Evangeline, if I write it in English format, I will write 4 times 12. Evangeline, am I going to write like this? 4 times 12? Now in mathematics, we have a symbol for times.
4, 8.
Idika, mute. Yes. Evangeline, now in maths, we have a symbol for times. So I will write this. Cross times. 4 times 12. Okay. Who can give me the answer for it? The final answer. What is 4 times 12?
Answer.
Yeah, final answer kya hai? What? Very good, Idika. Fantastic.
Max, I tell you what I did. Did I
I
tell you?
understood what. I know you know this concept. That is why I'm not asking you. Now let's take a question.
10 plus 10 plus 10, that's 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2.
I know. Now let's focus on the second question. This is super complicated. Chalo, eyes on the screen. I want you to give me an equation for this. Let's see how many of you can do it right. This is a brain teaser, but if you know your concept right, you can tell me the equation.
9 plus 2. 9 plus 2. With 11 plus 2. 30. Swat.
Okay, Idika, I don't give me the final answer. I want you to write the equation using the operation of multiplication symbol. Don't give me the final answer. Okay? You have to convert it into a multiplication statement with all the crosses. Anahita, are you getting my question? So write down the answer na, on your paper. Use the concept. How about Sakshi? Where is Sakshi gone? Sakshi, yes, you are here. And Kabir. Kabir, you have to write this.
Ma'am, I've already sent you the answer.
I haven't received your answer, Sakshi. And don't give me the final answer. You have all calculated and given me 16, 16. No, this is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for an equation like this one. 4 times 12 hua tha na?
Okay, ma'am.
Anahita, can you send me a picture? Chalo. For everybody who have not, if you have not understood this, follow me. Repeated addition comes for numbers who are getting repeated. Kabir, कौन सा number repeat हो रहा है? इस पूरे equation में कौन से numbers repeat हो रहे हैं? Kabir, I see 3. I get 3. I can see 3 getting repeated. Yes? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
3 getting repeated how many times?
3 times.
So this is the first equation, okay? Now, next, Sakshi. What is the next number that
3
you see?
equals to 9.
What is the next number that you see getting repeated?
2.
Okay. Okay. Just go on mute.
2
Go
times 2
children.
equals to 4. 2 times 2 equals to 4.
Go on mute first, and then I'm going to answer. Everybody go. Idika, go. Idika, firstly, you are not following the question that I have asked. I don't want the final answer. I want you to convert an addition statement to a multiplication statement. And Anahita, your answer is incorrect because it's halfway through. I want to see multiplication statement. Okay, so 2 plus 2. Which number is getting repeated? 2 is getting repeated. How many times? 2 is getting repeated how many times?
2 times.
So 2 times, okay? Going to come in the bracket. Now, who wants to answer this? Evangeline, what is the number getting repeated in this bracket?
1.
How many times, beta?
3.
Can you write the answer in the chat box? If I have to write 3 times 1, times ke liye we have this symbol. Type it in the chat box. Are you friendly with your keyboard? Yeah, try to write it. It's going to be 3 cross 1. Now, did you understand my question, Anahita?
Plus.
Idika, did you understand my question? I was not looking.
I'm writing.
Yeah. This is what I was actually expecting out of you. I did not want the final answer. Okay? Do you want to take one more question or shall we continue with the Olympiad questions?
That's the one more.
Yes.
Continue.
Anahita, I just saw your answer. You have skipped the step. You've given the final as 4 and 3, but I wanted to press it in form. Okay? Yeah. One more question. Shall we? One more question on this? Yes or no?
Have I said you?
Now look at this. Now give me the answer. Write down the equation in multiplication format and tell me if you find it challenging. But I just want you to think. Use your analytical skills and just write the answer. instead of numbers, it's just a picture. It's just an object. It's very easy. So I'm sure you will ask me, ma'am, how will I draw the answer? How will I draw?
I'm done.
How will I draw? Yes, Anahita. Anahita, बहुत छोटा लिखा है आपने. Correct. Very good. Very good. Anahita, correct. Now, Sakshi, everybody else, I want you to write it on your paper because you will not find these objects. And send me the answer in the WhatsApp group. Okay, now let's continue with our Olympiad questions. Next, there is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on either side of the ratios that you see. So the relationship between the first two, can you point out what it is known as, the first object? It's a stethoscope and a doctor. So we have a cricket bat. It's going to go.
I bought back. The what comes?
And this B. Very good. Fantastic. Now, question number 6.
B.
Yes, question number 6. The number of red toffees to the right of yellow toffee is? Answer. Hurry up.
2.
Just write. Sakshi, you're doing it very well. Type it in the chat box. Very good. Next, question number 7. How many groups of 3 squares can be formed from the squares given below? Now, exactly on the concept that we did. Groups of something. Try to solve this. You need how? In one group, we need 3 squares. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, one group, then another square, 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, I gave the answer again.
Yes, Sakshi, correct answer. Kabir, आपने मुझे 6 का आंसर दिया है, I think so. Solve the 7th one. There are 3 groups of 3. Idika, please, bacha, mute pe jaओ na. It's little disturbing for everybody to concentrate. Go on mute, Idika.
All right, ma'am.
Yeah. Question number 8 is on embedded figures. I want you to answer question number 8. And next time when you are answering, write 7C so that I'll know that you are on question number 7. You are at question number 7.
Done, ma'am.
Sakshi, let me check your answer.
Ma'am, I said you answer.
Very good, Sakshi. Yes. Now write, it's 8 ka option. 8A, 8B, 8C.
Okay.
Okay. I'm waiting for other children to answer. Very good, Idika.
Ma'am, now should we go on question number 8? Can we?
Yeah. I thought you've given me the answer for question number 8. Yes.
Can you help us?
Idika, आपने first answer तो गलत दे दिया मुझे. 7th you have not understood, I think so. Who wants?
Ma'am, can you help us with the 8th question?
8th question. So you have to see which of the following figure is present in the figure X. Now look for option number A. Can you find this hidden somewhere in the figure X? It's just like
I said you the 6th one actually.
Okay, Idika, write the answer. Look, I can see A embedded in the first triangle on the top hand side. Anahita, did you figure it out? Okay. So if you need more practice in such questions, you will have to look for logical reasoning workbook. And in that, you'll find chapter named as embedded figures. And you will get much more questions there. Now, question number 9. Number 9, hurry up. 9 and 10. 9 and 10, and then we will move on to 11, 12, 13, 14, and then the class is going to get over for today. 10 more minutes. Anush, sorry, Kabir. Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 9. Question number 9.
Done, ma'am.
Very good, Sakshi. 9 and 10. Evangeline, 9 and 10 is very easy. You can do it. You'll just have to find which of the following options are going to is going to replace the question.
Ma'am, I gave you the answer.
9 का answer is not at all B. 9 का answer is not B, Kabir. Look
Done,
carefully.
ma'am.
Look
Ma'am,
carefully.
Ma'am,
Yes.
send you the 10th
Look.
one.
Kabir, look at the options carefully.
Ma'am, I
It's a-
sent you the answer.
Yes, Idika.
Ma'am,
You have
I've
to
done
see.
it.
Yes. You have to see the symmetry. Yes. Okay, correct. Idika, have you given me the answer for 9? Yes, correct. Now, if today is Wednesday, then day before yesterday was very easy.
Ma'am, I already gave you the answer of 10th.
Fantastic. Okay. Now, can we move on to 11th one?
Yes.
If 3 strawberries stands for 18.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
now
got the 10th one. 10th.
yes, we are on 11th. Idika, listen to me.
What?
See, if you really want to do well, you are already doing very well. But if we talk less and do more, we are going to increase our speed. Getting my point? Why are you dragging
Yes,
your... Yeah. So do
Done.
question number 7. If you do this, definitely I'll ask Mama to give you a 5-star. Question
Done.
number 11 is very difficult.
Ma'am, I've
Idika.
done the question 11.
Okay, Sakshi, I'm just going to check. Idika, now I can't
Can
see you.
you help the question 11?
Okay, Anaita, you see that the question says, now for everybody,
I don't understand the 11th one.
I'm explaining the 11th one. Follow me. Whoever has not understood. I'm going to explain it just once. Okay. 3 strawberries stands for 18. Okay. Then what would be the value of these many strawberries? Okay? Okay, so now don't try to group here three strawberries, because then we see that the remaining 2 ones are, there's just 2 strawberries left. So we cannot do that repeated addition here. Okay, I'm going to draw it for you. We have 8 strawberries here. Have a look.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sakshi, yes.
Is mine correct?
I haven't checked your answer, okay? Just you
Ma'am,
tally
I
your...
wrote the answer 48.
Yes, but yes, okay.
Is this 48?
Wait. Yeah, it may be. I haven't done now. I will be doing it with you. And they say 3 strawberries are equal to 80. If it comes to these, 3 strawberries are equal to 18.
Ma'am, I
So
sent you the answer.
now tell me how you have done it. Sakshi,
Yes, ma'am.
how have you done this? How have you solved?
Ma'am, I saw that 6 trees are 18. So there are 8 strawberries. 6 8s are 48.
Fantastic.
Ma'am,
same to
me. Ma'am, same to me.
Very good, Idika. And how about Anaita? Same? Okay? 3 times something is getting repeated. Strawberry is getting repeated. We know that 3 times 6 is 18. Now we have 6. How many strawberries were there? 8. So 8 times 6 is 48. ठीक है? कबीर, आपको समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Kabir?
Yes.
Okay. Next question. Which of the following correctly shows increasing order of the following set of numbers? It's very simple. Save your time. Give the answer in less than 20 seconds.
508, 506.
Increasing order. Now, sometimes they even give the wrong... It's okay, Dika. Option C. 20 seconds. Idika 12, sorry. Anaita 12 is likhna, okay? So that I'll know that it is for the 12th question. Perfect.
Done, ma'am.
Perfect. Kabir, answer is wrong. Not B. Increasing order में लिखना है, not decreasing. You've given me the answer for decreasing order, Kabir. Yes or no? Did you get your mistake? Yeah. Now, question number 13.
Mama, I send you the answer.
I think I am not able to see Idika's answer.
Mama, I send you the answer.
One second. Let me check. I
Done,
can see
ma'am.
is Sakshi, Evanjali, Idika. I'm not getting your answers, okay?
Ma'am, please write it again.
Yeah, write it again and see if you're sending it to me or you're sending it to someone else. Question number 13. What is the place value of 3 in 703? Now, mind it, it is a grade 2 question paper we are doing, okay? And not grade 1.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, I
Fantastic.
send you now. Can you see?
No, I
Is
can't
mine
see.
correct, ma'am?
Yes, it is correct. The place value of 3 is 703. Idika, I'm not receiving your answer. So you ask Mama to come and see what has gone wrong with your system. Okay?
Alright.
Next, what is the sum of the numbers in the house? Who can do it? It's very easy. And I will tell you my way, okay? How I have done it. क्या हो गया? क्यों नहीं जा रहा? देख,
आपसे पूछिए।
आपने टेक्स्ट किया था?
हाँ, टेस्ट की थी।
Is she sending it to someone else? To everyone?
I'm just checking.
हाँ.
Ma'am, I'm not getting question B.
Kabir, 14?
Ma'am, it's 12A. Ma'am, it's 12A.
Yes, I know. Question number 12 is 12A. Question number 13 we've done. We are currently on question number 14. And I got the answer here.
इदिका एक बार
So,
लिखो
12A.
लिखो यहाँ पे लिखो 12 पे लिखो
अरे बाबा ये सही है।
enter. Yes, Evanjali. Very good. Anayata, 14B. Correct.
यहाँ से सेंड करो इदिका
Ma'am, it's coming.
No, not yet.
why is it not going it is showing like in yellow
Okay, so there must be some internet connection error at your place, and that's why I'm not able to get it. But it's okay. She can verbally tell me the answer.
yeah
ठीक है? Okay.
इदिका just say it.
इसका house वाला question करो and question number 13.
इदी करो
Ma'am, I send you the answer. At
Okay.
12B. At 12B.
Yes, correct.
12B.
So how I will calculate it, at one's place I see 1, 1, 51 and 21. And
14B. 14B. 14B.
very good. Yes. So 8 and 2 makes a 10, right? And then we had a 50 and a 20. So 80 is there. 80 plus 14 becomes a 94. And you are anyways very good at it, children. You're very good with your speed. So I don't need to tell you which way to do it. Let's do question number 15. We have 3 more minutes because I joined late. So we can continue the class till 12:05. Sorry, I know.
After 50.
Hurry up. Count the number of rupees Garima has. It's very easy.
करिए
कौन सा नंबर कॉइन्स पे
111 लिखा हुआ
नहीं,
Ma'am,
2, 2 and लिखा है. Let me zoom in. Okay, it's 2, 2 and 1.
Ma'am, I've done the answer. 103.
कैसे
No,
2
no.
to 1 2
Question
2
Sakshi,
1
आप आगे बढ़ो, आगे बढ़ाओ.
105.
Okay,
Shall
very
I
good.
move ahead?
Yes, please, everybody move ahead.
16
Question
करिए
number 15.
105.
वो हो गया
Very
नेक्स्ट पे 16
Next
करिए
question. This is very important. And that is why I was focusing
कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो बुलाऊंगी.
ठीक है तो करो
Yes, she's doing very well independently.
ओके
Yeah. Idika, आप बस अब म्यूट पे जाओ.
Alright, ma'am. Moment जाऊंगी. Done, ma'am.
Very good.
I do it.
Anahita, I'm waiting for 16. Okay. Sakshi, you start, you keep on working on at these questions.
16B. Ma'am, 16B.
Wrong. The question says, which of the following is less than 13 tens and 2 ones and not equal to? Read the question.
Ma'am, what did you say?
What did you say, ma'am? Okay. Read the question, solve. Anahita, you've made the same mistake. Which of the following is less than 13 tens and 2 ones? Kabir, I'm waiting for your answer. Evanjali, are you here? Evanjali, you have to convert these numbers in the value form. 13 tens is what? It's going to have 1 0. So it becomes 130
15B.
plus 132. No, Kabir.
16B is coming.
No.
16B.
B is wrong. You have to find the value which is less than 132, not equal to 132. So in the option, which number is less than 132? Come on, it's very easy.
17D. Done 17D.
I will tell you the answers. You guys continue working.
Ma'am, 17B.
Yes, Sakshi.
17D. Ma'am, 17D.
Idika, mute. Please mute. Idika, these are all recorded sessions, So if anyone is going to watch it, they may find it little difficult to concentrate, right?
Yes.
Yes, so we will speak less.
Yeah.
Okay, Anahita, have you not understood question number 16? Yeah, 16, you have not given me the answer. You have moved on to 17.
Ma'am, I gave it your answer. 16 is D. I don't D.
Kabir, 16, the answer is 123 and the option is D. Okay. Now, if Golu has 35 rupees, what two things he can buy? What are the two things he can buy?
Ball and pencil box.
But he has 35 rupees. So ball and pencil box is coming to 20 plus 30, 50 rupees. Can he buy that?
No.
Yeah. Ball and?
Ma'am, the 18th question is a bit tricky.
And 17th one is also a little tricky since
Ma'am, the 7th one is tricky a little.
17 can be a pencil box and a eraser
D.
also.
D, ma'am, D. D, ma'am, D.
किसका आंसर है D? Who has given me the answer for 17 as D? Anahita has given me as D. Very good, children. Very good. Correct answer. Next question.
18
Yes.
is D. 18 is D.
18. Sakshi, you type your answer, okay? Don't tell me the answer. So if a pineapple and a cake is equal to 10, then what would name? And 3 cakes equal to this, then find the value of pineapple. Anahita, I want you to do this and tell me the final answer verbally because I want to see if you have understood this. Same goes for Kabir.
3 cakes. I'm not understanding question 18.
Okay, so Kabir, there is a pineapple and a cake. Okay? And sum of pineapple and cake is given as 10 kgs. And we have another equation as 3 cakes equal to 1 tens and 8 ones. So what is 1 tens and 8 ones together?
8, 10.
1 10 is 10. 10 plus 8 becomes 18. So the value of 3 cakes is equal to 18. Right? And since it is repeated addition here, we see cake getting repeated 3 times. So 3 times what is 18? 6. Okay, so the value of one cake becomes 6 and pineapple becomes 4 because 4 plus 6 is 10. Did you get it, Kabir?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, 19. Which two sets of values are equal? This is solely on your calculation, how fast you can do without any mistake. And do the same for 20, like 19 and 20, and that's how we are going to end the lesson today. Anaita, you've done? 19, 20 ho gaya? Do it. We have to finish this page.
Ma'am,
Yes? Yes, Adhika?
I'm saying that the answer is kg of the 18th one.
See, 3 kgs.
No, ma'am. Kg from the 18th question.
18th question, what is the value of the pineapple?
Oh, I said from the 18th question, the C1, C. 3.
3 is the answer? It's 4.
I've done the 19th one too.
Okay. And do the 20th. Very good. Anaita, 18 is
Ma'am,
the
19. That's the 19B. 19B. Of
19th is
the question.
what?
Of the 19th question, 19B.
Okay, 19D. 18 का आप मुझे C बोल रहे हो वो wrong है. So you will have to practice this question with me. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Now, when it comes to question number 19, I want to tell you a shortcut to do this. You don't need to solve the entire thing. Okay? See. Have a look at my screen. Everybody, it's important for you to know this. How you are solving also matters a lot when it comes to Olympiad because no one is expecting you to give the entire calculation. Okay? So eyes glued to the screen. Everybody, you have to solve this fast. And there's such big numbers that you have to subtract. Okay? So we will
Ma'am, I can't understand the 20th one. Do we just have to minus and get the answer?
Yes, I will tell you that. So let's concentrate on 19 and then we'll move on to 20th. Now see, which sets of values are equal, which means that definitely the ones would be having the same number. Okay, so let's see what would be the value if it is P. What would be the value at the ones place? 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. Am I right? Right? Now, when we talk about Q, we're just working on the ones. 5 minus 5 is 0. This is also not going to work. And then we have 7 minus 9. So it becomes a 17. And 17 minus 9 becomes an 8. And then we have S. It is 13 minus 6. So it becomes a 7. So answer is P and S. This is how you should be solving. Don't solve the entire... Don't solve the... If you solve like this, I want to know how many of you solved my way?
Like
No
this. And me.
Me is Sakshi. So Anahita, this is where you can work on your speed. You know, this is great. Next year, you will be attempting this exam. So don't solve the entire numbers. Just focus on ones. One space. Okay? Now.
Not me.
Yes. Now 20th. 20th, in 20th, you'll have to solve it entirely. So 427 minus 295. It becomes 132. So what are you going to do? What are you going to do here, Sakshi? Are you going to guess the work? Again, another concept that we have to understand. Listen.
We have to plus 183 now
Yes.
or minus 183.
Yes, same. Now see, this is a basic algebraic rules, algebra rules that I want to tell you, very basic ones. Okay, this is equal to sign. Very simple. Okay, there is no it's not very difficult for you to get. These are the four symbols that we know. These are the four symbols that we know, and this is equal to, and this is left, and this is right.
Yes, ma'am.
If we have left may plus, and I take it to the right, plus becomes,
Minus.
minus becomes,
Plus. Plus.
multiplication becomes,
Plus. Division.
division becomes,
Multiplication. Multiplication.
multiplication. Now see, coming back to our question here, we had 132. When we solved this equation, let me zoom it out for you. And let me also change the color. Where is the pen? Okay, let it be. It's not working. Yeah, red. First, we solved this and we got 132 is equal to something minus 83. Okay, we have to find this question mark. There is a minus 83 this side. If I bring something from left to right, I can also get it from right to left.
Yes, ma'am.
ये minus 83 क्या हो जाएगा नायता? What will this minus 83 become if I get it on the left hand side? Yes, Anahita, tell me. Minus 83 will become? So we will add 132 में 83 and this is the answer that we will get. Oh, something happened. 215.
Fully.
Yeah. ठीक है, so answer आ गया D215. Got it? Okay. Okay, so that's how we finished our lesson today. And I want to end it with a very important information. See, when we talk about maths would be of various kinds. Okay. Math is school maths, math is Olympiad maths, and math is home maths. So what we are doing at home is a lot of practice with mom. Okay. Can you see me here? Yeah. When it comes to Olympiad or any competitive exam ka math, we have to also solve it quickly. And this is where all these tricks are going to help us. Okay? So some of you may be calculating it very fast. But if you know these little shortcuts, it's going to help you in higher grades also. Okay? Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.